Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're tackling one of the most pressing issues of our time, climate change. As the world grapples with rising temperatures, extreme weather events, and environmental degradation, many are asking, can artificial intelligence be the key to solving climate change? Join me as we explore how artificial intelligence can help combat this global crisis, its current applications, and the challenges we face along the way. Understanding climate change. Before we dive into artificial intelligence's role, let's take a moment to understand the gravity of climate change. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, warns that global temperatures are on track to rise by 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels as early as 2030. This increase poses significant risks, including more frequent and severe heat waves, droughts, floods, and rising sea levels. The primary driver of climate change is the increase in greenhouse gases, primarily carbon dioxide, CO2, and methane, CH4, released from burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial activities. To mitigate these effects, we must reduce our carbon footprint, transition to renewable energy, and enhance our ability to adapt to changing environmental conditions. The potential of artificial intelligence in climate action. So, how can artificial intelligence contribute to addressing climate change? The potential applications are vast and diverse, offering innovative solutions to reduce emissions, improve energy efficiency, and enhance our understanding of the environment. Smart grids use artificial intelligence algorithms to predict energy demand and supply, allowing for better integration of renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. For instance, Google has utilized artificial intelligence to enhance the energy efficiency of its data centers, achieving a 40% reduction in energy consumption. Artificial intelligence can improve climate modeling by analyzing vast amounts of data from satellites, weather stations, and climate models. Machine learning algorithms can identify patterns and correlations that humans might miss, leading to more accurate predictions of climate change impacts. This enhanced understanding helps policymakers make informed decisions about adaptation strategies. Agriculture contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions, but artificial intelligence can help mitigate its impact. Precision agriculture, powered by artificial intelligence, uses data from sensors and drones to optimize irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. This approach not only increases crop yields, but also reduces water usage and chemical runoff. For example, companies like IBM are using artificial intelligence to analyze soil data and recommend sustainable farming practices. Success stories in artificial intelligence and climate action. Let's take a look at some real-world examples of how artificial intelligence is being used to combat climate change. This startup utilizes artificial intelligence to provide businesses and governments with climate risk analytics. By predicting how climate change will impact various sectors, climate artificial intelligence helps organizations make data-driven decisions to adapt to changing conditions, ultimately reducing their vulnerability to climate-related risks. Using artificial intelligence and satellite technology, this initiative monitors fishing activities worldwide to combat illegal fishing. By providing real-time data on fishing vessels, Global Fishing Watch empowers governments and organizations to enforce sustainable fishing practices, helping to protect marine ecosystems. Google's DeepMind has partnered with the UK's national grid to optimize energy consumption in the country. By analyzing historical data and real-time electricity demand, DeepMind's artificial intelligence models have led to a 10% reduction in energy usage, demonstrating the power of artificial intelligence in enhancing energy efficiency. Microsoft has launched the Artificial Intelligence for Earth program, providing grants and support to organizations leveraging artificial intelligence to address environmental challenges. From monitoring biodiversity to improving water management, this initiative empowers innovators to develop solutions that promote sustainability. The challenges of artificial intelligence in climate action. While the potential of artificial intelligence in tackling climate change is immense, several challenges must be addressed to ensure its effectiveness. Artificial intelligence systems rely on high-quality data to make accurate predictions and recommendations. In many regions, especially in developing countries, access to reliable environmental data is limited. Ensuring that data is collected, maintained, and made accessible is crucial for artificial intelligence to function effectively in climate action. Interestingly, the artificial intelligence technologies designed to combat climate change can themselves be energy intensive. Training complex machine learning models requires significant computational resources, potentially leading to a larger carbon footprint. Researchers must focus on creating energy-efficient algorithms and optimizing artificial intelligence models to minimize their environmental impact. The deployment of artificial intelligence in climate action raises ethical questions regarding decision-making processes, equity, and transparency. Ensuring that artificial intelligence systems do not disproportionately impact marginalized communities is essential. Stakeholders must work together to develop ethical frameworks that guide the responsible use of artificial intelligence in climate initiatives. The future of artificial intelligence in climate change mitigation. Looking ahead, the integration of artificial intelligence into climate action is poised to grow even more significant. Here are a few trends and developments to keep an eye on. To harness the full potential of artificial intelligence in fighting climate change, collaboration between governments, businesses, and research institutions is essential. Sharing data, resources, and expertise will enable more comprehensive solutions and foster innovation across sectors. As artificial intelligence becomes more integrated into climate strategies, policymakers will need to embrace data-driven decision-making. Artificial intelligence can provide insights that inform regulations and incentives, helping governments achieve their climate goals more effectively. As the urgency of climate action grows, we can expect increased investment in artificial intelligence-driven solutions. Startups and established companies alike are likely to focus on developing technologies that leverage artificial intelligence for sustainability, creating new opportunities for innovation and job growth. Raising awareness about the potential of artificial intelligence in climate action is crucial. Educating the public, businesses, and policymakers about artificial intelligence's capabilities can foster support for initiatives that harness technology to address environmental challenges. Artificial intelligence in climate change communication and public engagement. Another crucial area where artificial intelligence can play a transformative role is in enhancing climate change communication and public engagement. The effectiveness of climate action often hinges on how well the public understands the issues and feels empowered to act. Artificial intelligence can analyze individual behaviors and preferences to tailor messages that resonate with different audiences. For example, artificial intelligence-driven platforms can create personalized recommendations for sustainable practices based on a person's lifestyle, helping them understand their impact on the environment. By making climate information relevant and actionable, artificial intelligence can motivate people to adopt eco-friendly habits. Artificial intelligence tools can monitor social media platforms to gauge public sentiment and identify trends related to climate change discussions. By analyzing vast amounts of data, artificial intelligence can help organizations understand what messages are resonating with the public and which misconceptions need to be addressed. This insight allows for more targeted outreach campaigns, making communication efforts more effective. Artificial intelligence can also enhance educational experiences through virtual reality, VR, simulations that depict the potential impacts of climate change. By immersing individuals in realistic scenarios, such as rising sea levels or extreme weather events, artificial intelligence can create a more profound emotional connection to the issue. This approach not only raises awareness, but also fosters empathy, encouraging individuals to take action. Support organizations and initiatives that prioritize sustainable practices and advocate for responsible artificial intelligence use. Together, we can shape a future where artificial intelligence not only helps solve climate change, but also creates a more sustainable world for generations to come. What are your thoughts on artificial intelligence's role in addressing climate change? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more engaging content. Until next time, stay informed and inspired.